Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. Haha! The Gorillapod 1K kit. So this hopefully is going to help me out, especially on shoots when I go outside, when I do some vlogging, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. Dun, dun, dun. Well, on the box, you'll see, of course, Gorillapod. You'll see it's by Joby. Nice little pictures along the side. How you can use it, how it wraps around stuff, which is what I like. And, of course, it has proprietary ABS plastic sockets. I'm assuming that's these little elbow kind of things. And it says flexible wrapping legs, which is exactly what I wanted. And also, it does have a rubberized grip and foot grips. Oh, that's nice, so it won't be slipping around on me. So I got this to take out with my Osmo Pocket. So hopefully we can get things started. What you're hearing in the background is one of my cats is being ignored by the other cats, so I think it's kind of going around wondering where everybody's at. So if you hear some meowing going on, that's what's happening. All right, first thing out of the box, we have the Gorillapod 1K kit information panel. It does open up, and it gives you a step-by-step 1, 2, 3, 4. How to connect it to your device. So that's nice. Always good to have this. Always keep it. All right. Comes packaged very well. Little plastic top to it, so nothing gets damaged. We have. What do we have here? Gotta pull this out of the box. Ooh, nice. Now, the 1K that I got actually came with a holder for your cell phone, which is kind of nice. So it is it's not a pressure one. You actually have to screw it apart, and then you get to screw it on back in again. So that's kind of nice. It actually has a screw in, so it doesn't accidentally pull apart and you lose your phone. So I like that. All right, so set that aside. And then we have the Gorillapod itself. It has a little protective device on it. And this is what the Joby Gorillapod is all about. You can bend it. You can make it grab onto stuff, and pretty tightly too. You can put your camera on there, doesn't come off. Nice, I like that. It does have standard tripod head on it. Actually, this came with something a little bit extra as well. It has, see, this is usually what you get with a Gorillapod. But I got the 1K kit instead of just the Gorillapod 1K. Because it also comes with this. Now what is this? This screws on to the top of the Gorillapod as so. There we go. And then, instead of just having a single point, you can actually turn this knob here. And then you can have your camera or phone or whatever it is you use to on different angles, which is kind of cool. What that means is, if we have this thing hooked up somewhere, but it has to be on an angle. Now this turn it aside, unscrew this, and there, now your camera device of whatever it is now pointing straight out. So that's kind of cool. So just to give you an idea exactly what I'm talking about, I'm actually videotaping right now on my Osmo Pocket, so I can't use that. So I'm going to use my old vlogging phone. It's got me through a lot of videos, a lot of family outings, so it's only appropriate that I feature it here. Now, of course, you can hold this like this, and actually it's pretty comfortable for me. I like that, but I'm gonna have to figure out a way to put a little strap on it because, again, because of my neurological condition, I'm afraid I might drop it. So it'll be kind of easy to actually put it in one of these knuckles, and then that way I can put it around my wrist and carry it around, you know, do like a vlogging thing with the Osmo Pocket. So that's a good thing. And again, as I was trying to demonstrate before, and that locks down pretty darn good. So I'm very happy with this purchase. So when I go around, next time you see me vlogging, you are going to see me with the Gorillapod. Thank you for coming along with me to unbox the Gorillapod 1K kit. I really appreciate it, and if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, that would also be fantastic. So as always, have a great day.